My name is Marla Gincalo. For introduction, Active Habits seeks to streamline operations and improve customer satisfaction by implementing a web-based system to manage sales and inventory. Statement of the problem: Active Habits face efficiency from manual statement affecting inventory tracking, sales records, and growth. For general problems and specific problem, lack of POS cause inventory errors, delays, and poor accessibility. General objectives, specific objectives. Streamline operations through a customized POS and inventory management system. For login and sign in, when you browse Upkeep, you can make a purchase unless you're logged in. If you're not logged in, you'll be directed to the sign in page.
First, we have the homepage. This is the landing page of our website where users are welcome with a clean layout and a quick overview of what Upkeep Hobbies offers. At the top, there's a navigation bar that leads to the shop and cart pages. Below that, we feature a hero section that highlights promotions or new collections. For example, MTG Outlaws of Thunder Junction or limited edition Beyblades. We also include a features product section where users can instantly browse some of the top selling items. The goal is to keep users engaged and encourage them to explore the shop. Next is the shop page. This is the core of the website where users can browse our full catalog of products. Each item is presented in a card layout with a product image, name, price, and an add to cart button. Products are organized to provide a smooth and responsive shopping experience, whether you're looking for trading cards, Funko Pops, or other collections. The shop is also designed to be scalable, so categories can be added or filtered later on. And finally, the cart page. The cart page allows users to view and manage the items they added. Each item in the cart includes a thumbnail, name, price, quantity selector, and a remove button. At the bottom, we display the total amount and a checkout button. This section is designed for clarity and convenience, ensuring that users can review their orders before proceeding to payment.
About Us. The About Us of the Upkeep Hobbies website introduces the shop as a welcoming space for card game enthusiasts. Located in Taytay Rizal, the shop aims to bring players together to enjoy, compete, and build their favorite decks. It emphasizes community, passion for the hobby, and a shared space for memorable game experience. Next is Contact Us. The Contact Us section of the Upkeep Hobbies website provides customers with the shop's location, contact details, and a convenient Google map for easy navigation. It displays the store's address in Taytay Rizal, an email for inquiries, and a phone number. Below this, there's also a contact from where visitors can enter their name, email, subject, and message to reach out directly to the store.
Hi everyone, I'm John Richie U. Sevilla. I'm here to explain the user profile and logout. First, the user profile. When a client logs in, they are taken to their profile page, which shows all of their personal details, first name, last name, middle initial, phone number, email, and home address in a tidy, read-only card. Behind the scenes, the system looks up the login user's record in the database and fills in each field. If the client wants to change anything, they click the edit button, which brings up a form pre-populated with their current details so they can update and save. The logout. In the top right menu, you'll find a logout link. Clicking it opens a confirmation dialog asking, "Are you sure you want to log out?" Cancel simply closes the dialog and keeps you logged in. And the yes logout clears your session on the server and then sends you back to the login page. Any protected page you revisit will now require you to log in again.
Hello, I'm Stephen, the Nabilaridit, and I will be discussing about the admin page. Here at admin page, this is where the admin facilitates, control, and oversees the purchase, events, and inventory of Upkeep Hobbies. In the manage transactions, here we will see the purchase records of every users and the admin has the power to decide whether the purchase is approved or rejected. For such instances like false pay or any malicious acts of purchasing. Next, the transaction page is only for viewing the records for purchases unlike on the money transactions, we will need to have a decision to make. And next, here at inventory, it is simple. Here we select a product and then we input on how many stocks are to be added. And also in inventory, this is where we can know what are the products that is need to be restocked depending on the stock alert level. And next, at the products page, here we can simply upload the details and prices of the products including the image and the quantity or stock. And it will be directed to the user page, which means it will be visible to every user of Upkeep Hobbies. And next, here at events page, it is similar to products page, but here we set the time and date of launch and expiration date. And after uploading an event, the poster itself will be visible to the events page on the user's point of view. As you can see, there are records of the events below. And and next, there is a log out button where the admin can easily log out to the admin page. And as I said, while uploading in events page, now we can see the uploaded image and details of the events. As you can see, as a sample, there is a duplicate poster of the first event.